Gen AI क्या है? Many people use search bar as a Gen AI. They type in the query and then they expect the magic to happen. The reality is very different. Gen AI could be immensely powerful when you know how to control it, when you know how to guide it, and when you know how to use it effectively to get your results. I'm having a one-day workshop where I'll be teaching you just that. Your Gen AI would be your thinking partner, it would be your brainstorming coach, it could be your learning partner, it could be your force multiplier. In that one-day workshop, you will be coming with your laptop, it would be a hands-on workshop, and on the same day, I will teach you how to make your productivity 2x, 3x, 4x. This workshop is for all kinds of professionals, whether you are a developer, you are an IT person, you're a non-IT person, you are a marketer, you are a salesperson, you are in human resource, you are in accounts, you are a health professional, you are a doctor, any kind of domain you are on. If you are not afraid of using Gen AI, this workshop is for you. I'm Salman K. I'm having 20 years of experience in IT industry and I'm a self-learned IT enthusiast. I would be giving you this workshop Saturday, 7th Feb, AshreiTech, NASDAQ.